Today, we're going to talk about the basic construction of the shield. It's going to be part one of a two-part series. The basic construction and the advanced construction. Things you need for this project is a ruler, a box cutter, duct tape, pipe insulation or pool noodle, floor mat foam, piece of leather for strapping, and cardboard, nuts and bolts. Also, keep in mind that your shield's composition, or what is made of, determined by your LARP's material guidelines. Most of the time, it's nothing more solid than just plastic, like plastic Tupperware or those storage tubs kind of plastic. And you can make stuff out of wood, but it's all depending on, is it shield bashable? Let me stop you right there, Cyrus. Nothing heavier in plastic for shield bash. Please consult the rule book or anyone involving with the LARP upon this issue of shield bash. All LARPs are different. Some LARPs you can shield bash, others you can't. And the following techniques will fall with all materials, but with the material I'm going to be using would be cardboard. Light, abundant, and useful. Another thing to consider is that your character skills can also determine what shield that you're going to be making. If you just have a normal shield, you probably have something just the size of your torso. And if you have more advanced shield skill, you can probably have a tower shield that covers most of your body. And also consult the guidelines of how big a shield can be for your LARP. Alright, we're gonna switch up the style. Next step on the video, having a design. Alright, here's some quick sketches that I have made. So I'm going to do this design with a sword, maybe two other smaller swords with it. And these are gonna have throwing daggers. But all that I'm gonna do in part 2. Part 1, it's important to have design in mind, sketch it out. First, you're gonna need a piece of paper or cardboard. Like this. Have in mind the size of the cardboard that you want. And I'm gonna cut it into shape. Pro tip, when you're designing it, you draw one half, you fold it, then you draw the other half with the half you already cut out. Figure it out, where's the halfway point, draw the line. Then draw your pattern out, one half of it. Alright, I drew out the design. Altered the design slightly, then I'm going to cut it out and fold it over. Pro tip, when you're folding anything, make sure you have something solid when you're doing the fold. Like a ruler, to be nice and clean. Now it's folded. Now trace. Trace it now! Bam! There we go. Then we cut it out. Cut it out. sharper the box cutter, the better. If you're doing this with main material, wood, first start off with a cardboard template. So you have exact tracing pattern. That's cut out. Alright, now we're gonna mock up some strapping. So I'm taking duct tape, folding it in half, and I'm temporarily putting on the shield. I'm making a left-handed, right-handed shield, and also a center grip shield, so I can hold it through the center. So I put some duct tape, fold it in half, and duct tape it on there. Mock up. So having the straps like this, I try not to have shielding like you're going like this, but I'm more like this. So you're using more of the muscle groups, and your arm will be less tired. Alright, after going through the strapping, I decided to go with a more vertical grip of a shield. So it'll be on my arm like this. And I'm gonna leave some pouches, some places I can put throwing daggers right up in here. Maybe in here too, because I have a whole lot of real estate. About this point, you start planning on what nice accessories you're gonna put on this shield. I'm planning on putting on some kind of a backpack type of deal, and having in the center, having some kind of tie or snaps with leather. And of course, I'm gonna have leather straps. There's gonna be a pouch here. I can carry miscellaneous whatnots. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, next step, we're gonna reinforce it. So it's important when you're gonna do the cardboard method is to have the grain of the cardboard running the opposite direction. So this cardboard is going, grain's going up. This one's going this way, left to right. So I'm gonna take pieces, then I'm gonna glue it on with contact cement. Alright, got one piece cut out. And I also want to make a note that having 3 or 4 layers of cardboard would definitely help in the durability of your shield. Make sure you apply glue to both sides and attach. And if it is close to freezing or below freezing, apply heat to help dry because of that contact cement. It is a hard time to dry in cold temperatures. Alright, after that is dried, you attach both pieces. Careful. Harder to peel them off.
Learning from another, she took a part along, who wrote down all her stories with promises of songs. Now he stands beside her and raised his voice to sing the colorful adventure.
That'll be it for part 1. Part 2 will be coming soon enough. Hello, I am Keldia, the widow farmer looking for my lost wife. Mastery of magic and mind magic. No person you don't want to mess with. And I just want to say, mind magic is one of my specialties. So maybe that's why Dragon Cyrus has sent me here to tell you to go look at the links down below. View, subscribe, especially to Dave the Minstrel Raven, and the link of how Cyrus learned how to make shields. In the part 2 of the shield making will be much quicker than usual, because you must obey. And also I'm informed to stay hydrated.